was nice of your Uncle Greg to give us tickets to the Beloit Film Festival.
I love community events like this. It's got a really different vibe than the big Badger State Film Festival in Capital City, run by Bo Rizzler.
BIFF feels more personal and fun.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a great party. I hope they have snacks. Snacks? Calm down, Rudy.
Uncle Greg has done great work building the film festival. It's a huge draw to the businesses downtown, and a big part of revitalizing the city.
Clearly it's working.
Hello, welcome to BIFF.
Thank you.
These are your screening schedules. And over here is the Filmmakers Lounge where we have drinks and
Snacks!
Uncle Greg!
Daphne. Oh, you're a sight for sore eyes.
Why? What's wrong?
It's a nightmare. Filmmakers are disappearing. It's scaring people away from the festival.
What's causing it?
I don't know for sure. I've heard paranormal rumors. People citing ghostly figures that resemble iron smelters from 100 years ago.
Sounds sus. Like Hondo Percento.
If we don't figure this out, the festival will collapse, and all the progress we've made revitalizing the city will be lost.
Well, how's business?
Not good, Bo. What brings you down from the capital city?
Oh, I just came down to check out the competition. I heard filmmakers are disappearing.
Something's amiss.
That can't be good for business. Good luck, buddy.
The Beloit Ironworkers was a huge industry here. This town was built in the flames of iron smelting.
Must be why they had this giant flame statue.
Poor Uncle Greg. This could ruin BIFF.
For us? I mean, did you hear the part where he said paranormal iron smelters? Scary.
Clearly there's something more to the story. It's time for a stakeout.
Steak? Steak? Where?
Gosh, a lot less people out.
People are too scared to go out.
We need to see this paranormal iron smelter ourselves. So let's find a place to wait. And Snag and Rudy, do your thing.
Look out! Filmmakers coming through!
Look out, we're a big deal. Creative geniuses.
Rude, this is a great shot right here. Slate it up. Action!
My name is Rudy, and I love snacks.
Snacks!
Other filmmakers are total hacks. We come to Beloit to rock the streets. Oh! Don't try to step up, you can't compete.
Great job, Rude. Keep working it.
Snag and Rudy are doing a good job of attracting attention.
I'm sure everyone knows they're big-time filmmakers now.
Yep, that's the bait. Keep your eyes peeled.
Yeah, Rude. Break it down for us.
Look, there's the ironworker ghost.
He's sneaking up on them. Let's get in position.
Zoinks, Rude! It's the ghost of Ironworkers Pass! Run! Like,
Nice job.
You kids are sure brave. I'm amazed.
People often underestimate us, but we caught the culprit.
But who did this?
Bo Rizzler. It wasn't too hard to see that he was jealous of Biff's success.
Precisely. In fact, more people have been coming to BIFF than the Badger State Film Festival in recent years.
Bo thought he could scare away your success and eliminate the competition by kidnapping the visiting filmmakers. Here come the cops.
And I would have gotten away with it if it weren't for you meddling kids.
I cannot thank you kids enough. You guys saved the festival.
It sure is nice to see everyone enjoying the festival.
I'm glad the police found the kidnapped filmmakers.
Well, I can't wait to see some of these films. What do you think?
Hey, where's Snag and Rudy?
Rudy Stacks!